Good morning friends, welcome back to Jet Plus Academy channel. Today I am going to raise the problem from quadrilateral. This topic belongs to 9th class in Indian academic system and in 6th and 7th class in foreign, whether America continent or Europe continent, right? Here in India, this very topic belongs to second term final examination, and first theorem from this quadrilateral topic is belong to parallelogram. यह parallelogram से संबंधित है, ठीक है, and its first theorem, यह पहली प्रमेय है, right? A diagonal of parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. ठीक, या डायगोनल पैरेललोग्राम का यह दो कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स में डिवाइड करता है. दिस वेरी प्रॉब्लम कैन बी सॉल्व फ्रॉम मेनी मेथड्स. कई मेथड से इस प्रॉब्लम को आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. कम ऑन, there are two main cardinal methods by which this problem can be solved, this theorem can be proved. Those are first congruency and second similarity. दोनों से by these both methods you can prove this very problem, right? Come on, first of all you do from congruency. Incongruency, by the trio criterion triple S, SAS, AAS, by these trio criterion you can prove that these both triangles are congruent. Here AC is your diagonal, right? Come on, first of all triple S, you will lift off triangle लेंगे in triangle ADC and triangle ABC. ADC, A वाला triangle and this triangle, you will take both triangles. Now AD is equal to BC, one corresponding side is equal. Here already given AD is equal to BC, this cause this is parallelogram, right? Now DC is equal to AB, one more corresponding side you have got, right? Now AC side is common in both triangles. Here AC is equal to AC. Now by these three corresponding sides, these two triangle ABC will congruent to triangle ABC. Thus proved by triple S criterion, side criterion, right? By triple corresponding side criterion, these both triangles will be congruent. The same theorem is just asking to prove you, right? Come on, here by triple S, by one method you have made congruent to these both triangles, right? Now we take SAS. Again you will take these both triangles, triangle ADC and triangle ABC, right? Come on, now second criterion, I am making these both triangles congruent to each other, right? When diagonal divides it. Come on, here AD is equal to BC, one corresponding side. Now one more, this angle, suppose that this angle 1 and this angle 2. Clear? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It is because when AD is parallel to BC, then angle 1 and angle 2, these both corresponding angles of both triangles will be alternate interior angles. This will be alternate interior angles. Come on. Now, once again, one more corresponding side is needed to complete this S. You can take anyone. Whether you take AC is equal to AC common or AB is equal to DC. Now, anyone, DC is equal to, I take DC is equal to AB, one corresponding side. From these two, means from second criterion to these both triangles are congruent, means triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle ABC from S criterion. Now we are seeing I am doing only from congruency. From triple S I have made it congruent. Now from SAS means from two corresponding side and one corresponding angle are both these triangles also have made this both triangles congruent, right? Now third sub method. Now from AAS I am doing these both triangles congruent when diagonals divide the parallelogram. Again you take triangle ADC and triangle ABC. Once again, come on. Now I am doing from AAS criterion, means angle side. Two corresponding angles and one corresponding side. Come on. In triangle ADC, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Alternate. Clear? This will be alternate. The same. Here angle 3, you take this angle 4. Angle 3 is also angle 4. The same alternate interior angles. Right? Now, you take only any corresponding side. You can take here AD is equal to BC, R. DC is equal to AB, R. Yeah. You take AC is equal to AC. Both are common in both triangles. Right? Come on. You take any one of the three. Come on. If you take AD is equal to BC, one corresponding side. Means two corresponding angles AA and one corresponding side. Then two triangle ADC will be congruent to triangle ABC from AAS angle side criterion of congruency, right? It means this theorem at diagonal parallelogram divides into two congruent triangles. Then from congruency, from these triode criterions, you can make it possible. You can prove it. Now, I am leaving the BS star scenario from congruency, just I am coming on similarity. Now from similarity I am proving these both triangles are congruent. How? Just see, it is very interesting, and if there is any problem, all my viewers, all my students in India or abroad, if there is any problem, whatever topics have been dealt here, then through message, through my helpline number, you can just send me message, right? One thing more to be understood here, if there is any extra problem to be solved, you can do this, right? And please, if my way of teaching, my way of doing any problem from so many methods, if it is liked by you, then please like, subscribe and share it to maximum numbers, right? I will be extremely grateful to you that my whatever knowledge I have got from this academic system, that is going to be poured in India and abroad, and that's available to every person. I will be extremely grateful to you. Now, this turn to prove this theorem from similarity. We are coming. Now this is extremely interesting. Congruency was other way extra. Now similarity is very interesting. Now see, in the blink of eye, पलक झपकते ही ये प्रूव कैसे होता है. Now see, this is a game of mathematics. Come on. From similarity I am doing. Here again you will take triangle ADC and triangle ABC. You see here angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It is because opposite lines are parallel. Here angle 1 is equal to angle 2 alternate. Like the same, angle 3 of ADC triangle will be equal to angle 4, right? This is also alternate interior angles. Now if two corresponding angles of the triangle are equal, then both triangles will be similar from AA corollary. Now triangle ADC will be similar to triangle ABC by AA corollary. By AA corollary, both triangles are similar, and if both triangles are similar, implies that corresponding sides ratio will be equal. It means here corresponding sides ratio will be equal. From similarity concept, corresponding sides ratio will be equal. Now you are seeing this is fourth method or fourth pathway from which you are proving this very theorem, right? Corresponding sides ratio is mean AD upon BC is equal to DC upon AB is equal to AC upon AC. This will corresponding sides ratio will be equal. But now see, AC by AC is equal to 1. Here AC by AC is equal to 1. It means these two implies that AD upon BC and DC upon BC also will be equal to 1. It is possible only when AD is equal to BC. Then you know x by x is equal to 1, right? The same, AD will be equal to BC, AD is equal to BC, and DC is equal to BC, DC is equal to BC, right? It means when corresponding sides are equal, implies that triangles will be congruent. Implies that triangle ADC will be congruent to triangle ABC. ठीक? Now ADC triangle will be congruent to triangle ABC, right? Now this is the end of your problem, and I just earned from all my supporters, journalist supporters all over world, my students and fans of Jet Plus Academy. Please share this very channel to maximum number, and I will be extremely grateful to you. And from like this, many other problems are coming very soon. Now regularly the topics from maths, physics, chemistry will be uploaded, and I am with you always. Okay, thank you very much. Seeing you soon.